Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how you can share documents, boards, models, and folders from your Lucidchart documents page and from within the editor. You can manage the permissions for collaborators and transfer ownership of your documents. You can also use Join ID to provide a quick way for collaborators to access a document, board, or model for a limited window. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. To share documents from the Documents page, follow these steps. In your Documents page, hover over the thumbnail of the document you would like to share, and click the Share button at the bottom of the thumbnail. In the text box, enter the names, email addresses, or groups with whom you would like to share. Set permissions for the collaborators via the drop-down to the right of the text box. And if you would like, enter a custom message to go along with the invitation. Those you invite will receive an email notification. Click Invite. The documents will appear in the collaborators' Share With Me folders. And to share a document or border from the editor, follow these steps. Click Share in the top right corner and do the same. Plus, you have this Join ID option. A join ID is a short 6-digit code that your team can input at lucid.app/join so that they can join this board in seconds. So switch this on to see your join ID. Know that we can change these permissions at any time or remove someone's permission altogether. You can watch my Lucidchart tutorial video to learn more about how you can use Lucidchart. Link in the description. So hopefully this video helped you out, and bye bye.